Nandani. Now I'd like to call upon the gentleman who is the backbone, the heart and the soul of Priyadarshini Academy. He has nurtured the Academy throughout its 34-year history with tremendous zeal and passion. Businessman and humanitarian, he has dedicated the better part of his life to social causes. Priyadarshini is his legacy of love and service to humanity. Please welcome the Academy's founder and Chairman Emeritus, Mr. Nanak Rupani, with a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Reena, for the wonderful introduction. My daughter, she always controls me, don't speak more. Please be brief. So at home, you know, in my office, everybody listens to me, and at home I have to listen to my wife Geeta, my daughter Nita, and Reena. Thank you. Our distinguished chief guest, Nitin Gadkari ji, my really dear friend, Minister of Shipping, Road Transport and Highways. I just got a call when I was sitting, Piyush Goyal should be there another 4 or 5 minutes. He's saying he's already on the way. Suresh Prabhu, he called me in the morning and he said that Afghan president is there in Delhi and Prime Minister has requested him to be there in the meeting. But he said, I will come and definitely meet you. And I have never missed any function as far as Priyadarshini Academy is concerned. So he has sent a video which we will be saying, please show that video, it is 4 minutes. There are many other videos, but we will be showing Suresh Prabhu and Anushka Sharma 2 minutes video. She'll be here in another 5-10 minutes. Dr. Mashalkar, our chairman for our awards committee, my dear friend Niranjan Hiranandani, the chairman of Priyadarshini Academy, distinguished awardees, dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries in the audience, members of print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Priyadarshini Academy, I extend you a very warm welcome for being with us this evening. Our guest of honor and special guests and awardees are distinguished personalities from political, social field. Their acceptance of our invitation is a great honor to us. We are delighted to have you, sir, Gadkari ji, amongst us at this 34th anniversary Global Award function. I was fortunate to meet Gadkari ji with another dear friend of mine, Balasaheb Thackeray. He said, you must meet this man. And we have Arvind Sawant, please give him a big hand. He's our member of parliament from South Bombay. So Balasaheb Thackeray, I think he was a very, very good friend, very close friend. He's saying, you will meet Nitin Gadkari, who's a man who can do wonders. But that time I didn't think. But not only he has done wonders, I think he has done wonders of the world. Very few ministers can think big. He's the only one who dares to think big. And till now I've been seeing that minister, हमने 10,000, 15,000, 25,000 crore का हमने ये project किया. Last time he was telling me 10 lakh crore का project मेरे हाथ में है. 10 lakh crores. I don't think anybody can, मुझे तो मालूम ही नहीं है zero कितना होगा गडकरी जी 10 lakh crores में. But only you are capable of doing this. And he plans, he dreams big and he implements. छोड़ नहीं देता है बीच में. और उसको पीयूष जी आ गए हैं. We are thankful to Piyush ji. Thank you Piyush ji for coming with us. Please give him a big hand. मैं गडकरी जी को बोल रहा था कि बॉम्बे पुणे रोड आपने बनाया है. बोला अभी वो एंशंट हो गया, अभी मैं बॉम्बे दिल्ली रोड बनाऊंगा और इतने हाईवेज 10 लाख करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट्स है. एंड 14 लेन हाईवे की बात करो. नाउ दैट इज एन एंशंट. And really, Gadkari ji, you can really do wonders. But he's so down to earth. He meets everybody. He loves to take challenges. And even Piyush ji also, I know him, I'll be talking about him. He's also a wonderful, wonderful person. I know him. He's a younger brother to me. And I am so proud of him that he's also with us. Gadkari ji has not only made, as Niranjan said, highways, roads, flyovers, and he is saying, you come to Delhi and I am going to give you a charge of Ganga cleaning, be a part of it. And I'll be too happy to accept any challenges. I think in another 2-3 years, Ganga will be clean. People said, क्या बात कर रहा है, इतना मैल गंगा में है, वो क्या clean होगा? But the way he is going, I'm sure he will be successful because he loves to take challenges, and whatever he has done, I think he can do wonders. I wish to extend you, Piyush ji, a very warm welcome this evening. I know because of you I was feeling, he told me, you are keeping the function at 3 o'clock. We will have a cabinet meeting. हम लोग time पे पहुँच सकेंगे कि नहीं पहुँच सकेंगे. So it is only because of him we changed the time, and thank you for suggestion. Otherwise we would have been lost without you and Gadkari ji. I had the pleasure of knowing him since many, many years, and I have seen tremendous zeal and potential in his personality. He is an amazing person, really amazing. And his grasping powers, I can't describe in words. When I was the president of Indian Merchant Chamber and I was in telecom, I was looking for who will take over as the chairman of telecom. So I said, Piyush ji, would you accept? Believe me, in times to come, he was knowing much more than what I knew in telecom. So see the railways, the power sector, all the villages in this country has got power. All the countries, which is unheard of. And I'm very sure he will do a wonderful work in railways. The coal sector was, all scams were there. It was, I don't know what was happening. He was able to bring total transparency in coal sector. Now, I'm sure at this age, if he has done so much, very soft-spoken, but I know him so well. Sometimes I must have fought with him also, but he is so loving, and really, I don't know how to thank him. He has been really a source of inspiration, and whenever I have met him in Delhi also, he is always welcome. And I think Priyadarshini Academy is blessed. We have Nitin Gadkari, we have Piyush Goyal and Suresh Prabhu. As I told you, he said, I am required to be in Delhi. But he said, I have not missed a single function. And today also, Gadkari ji said, I was required to be in Delhi with Afghanistan president. But I said, I don't want to miss Priyadarshini Academy function. Thank you, Gadkari ji. Please give him a big hand. Dr. Mashelkar, Transport CSIR, the world's largest chain of laboratories, which is considered to be one of the top 10 achievements of Indian science and technology in 20th century. He has received Padma Vibhushan at the hands of President of India and the Star of Asia in the hands of George Bush Sr., former US President. Dr. Mashelkar is an icon for leadership in technology, technological research and customer-driven, and amount of pain, the hard work he takes to select the awardees. Really, I salute Dr. Mashelkar for being with us. Priyadarshini Award winners awards were instituted to recognize individuals for their outstanding contribution in different fields. All the awardees have done a marvelous work and rendered service to the society. They have brightened the lives of many and brought changes in India and abroad. The Academy is very proud in honoring these luminaries. I would like to talk about each and every one, but again I am warned by Reena, let me do my job. I am going to, when I present them the award, that time I will talk about each and every one. We have Mr. Neeraj Bajaj with us. And he has also been really a very helpful. He has been guiding academy, and he has been his father, we have instituted an award in his father's name, Ramkishan Bajaj, who was very closely associated with us from the inception of academy. That award winner, that lady from Canada, who was supposed to get this award, she couldn't get visa in time, so she is not here with us today. We have also an award named after Harish Mahendra Memorial Award. Harish was also my very, very dear friend, Anand Mahendra's father. And we have new award we have named after late Prahlad Chhabria. Aruna is here, Aruna Kataria is here. You know all of them, all that Chhabria ji was really a very big supporter of academy, and he always used to attend all our international awards. We are also with us Rahul Karat. Rahul ji has now roped me in MIT, institution, and he has promised us that any scholarship recommended by Priyadarshini Academy, we will be too happy to give them the award. Please give him a... In last 30 years, we have not enrolled any pattern, first 4 years, but now, after 30 years gap, we will be enrolling Vijay Karya as our pattern member, because he has really helped Priyadarshini Academy in a very big way. And we are thankful to Vivek Goenka for giving us advertisements. Always he doesn't charge us, same way as Free Press Journal. And we also thank Mr. Burma of Oberoi Hotel. We have with us Chetan Mehta, who is also doing a very good work with me. He is here, in Lilavati. Now I would like to say a few words about Niranjan Hiranandani. When he took over, he said, I will take Priyadarshini Academy to the next level. I know he is going to take over. There's no doubt about it. But he makes me work so much because he says, I have no time. And he's building all the skyscraper. I'm sure by after 2 years, he will be little more involved so that he can take to the next level. I think everybody said, now you have done enough of 34 years. So please give him a big hand so that next year he makes a commitment that he can spend more time. Priyadarshini Academy has gone in publishing. Kautilya Artha Shastra, which was published by Priyadarshini Academy, today also it is one of the fastest selling book in the country. And we wish to publish many more books. We may tie up with MIT. And we are very sorry to inform you that Mr. Vishwanathan, who was handling Priyadarshini Academy's award, he died only 10-12 days back. So we were really in trouble. But the team of Priyadarshini Academy, Saurav, Vaishali, Harish Kupchandani, Vincent, Nindi, and all the staff members, they really took over and things are quite comfortable. I will not take much of your time, and I want to thank each and every one of you being present here and all the award winners for giving us honor, because I think accepting an award, it's a great honor to us. Thank you very much.